Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog, we're going to be transforming the Lego display. We're going to be putting shelves up. We're going to put the minifigure display case finally on the wall. We're going to be putting up a Lego art set as well. Lots of stuff is going to be happening. We're getting ready to have space for the big Pokemon set that is coming at the end of this month. There is lots of space needed because obviously there's a lot of Lego sets coming. So we are running out of space, but I have a plan for that. I'm going to start getting some of those PAX wardrobes and stuff because we've got a big space in the front room where we can have a massive unit. We need storage anyway, so the bottom cupboards are all going to be storage for other things, and then we're going to have loads of shelves and stuff that go around and over the top for Lego. But yeah, there is lots to do today. We have got lots of things to put on the wall, so I best get cracking. Bosh. So the shelves are finally up after ages of me saying I needed to do it. We've got the Krill house, we've got the upside down, and we've got the black pearl now on the wall. Let me show you. So the Krill house is up on the left. We've got the black pearl in the middle, and then we have the upside down on the right. Let me see if I can get a better angle of it all. Obviously, yes, there's still holes to be filled and sanded and painted and all sorts of things, but we've started with the Lego transformation and I think it looks pretty good. So that's that all done. Let's put the minifigure display case on the wall. And there we go, the minifigure display case is on the wall. Let me turn the light on. And it's finally up off the shelves, so we've got more room now. So we've got all this space here, this all needs sorting out. I'm gonna be doing a mock for this. You may have seen it going around the community. I'm not gonna spoil it, I'm gonna save it for the video, but there is a mock that I'm gonna be doing for the gift for purchase. These here either need to go in a display case or away somewhere. And we've got that back, which needs sorting out because there's brick heads there, gift for purchase. I need to find a way to put this on the wall with the black pearl somehow, without it looking silly. Got our Star Wars stuff that side. But this here is probably where the big Pokemon set is going to go for a while. I'm hopefully going to stream that. So make sure you subscribed. I'm going to stream here on YouTube and TikTok, hopefully. So yeah, hopefully the big Blastoise, Charizard, Bulbasaur, Venusaur is going to be built and displayed here. So the Lego transformation in this room is going really, really well. Like I said, the Pokemon set's going to go there. We have got loads of March 1st stuff as well. The World Cup, Sauron's helmet, that's just to name a couple. There's loads. Brick heads are coming out. There's all sorts of things. I also have put something else on the wall, which was a real pain in the bum. So I haven't recorded any of that because it took me forever. But I took the whole thing apart when I got it. It was £60. It retails for 170. There's only 2 pieces missing. Let me show you. So I finally got the Galaxy set, and you're going to say, oh, it's just resting. It's not. There is an actual gap up there between the roof and between the door frame. That was a massive pain to put on the wall. It kept breaking bits off, and I couldn't find the actual screws for the hooks to hook into. So yeah, it took me forever, but I think it looks pretty good up there. So I think I'm going to end this vlog by just discussing what I want to do in the front room. So I already have this display unit that's got Lego in it and on it already. So I could get another one to go over here. We've already got this on the wall. Then I'm also thinking of having a unit going up, round, down and across, so we can have cupboards there that are closed, and then everything up, over and down can have Lego on. So then when I'm in here, I can do live streams in here with a decent backdrop. I can make videos in front of it as well, obviously, but then also it's creating more space. So I don't know how well you can see this. It is the Krill house in a display case. The display case is lovely. I got this today, so I need to put this on display somewhere as well, but I have nowhere for it at the moment. But yeah, you'll be able to get one of these if you want, or for loads of other sets. Link is down in the description. Use my code as well that's down there for 12% off. And yeah, you'll be able to grab yourself some nice storage stuff for your Lego, because I think I'm going to need more of it because I just don't have enough space for it. So we're gonna have to get some nice storage units that fit perfectly in the unit in the front room. And then, yeah, I might get some Billy bookcases. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what stuff I should order from IKEA for the front room and for in here. And I think I'm going to end the vlog there, guys. So if you did enjoy it, please leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.